Welcome back to Z Connect Season 2. Well, it's now time for Style Connect, where we will be helping you style your home better.
Welcome to my family room, where we spend most of our time. Early in the morning, we get up, have our bed tea here. In the evening, when Ajay comes back from office, he spends the time here. And in the afternoon, I sit here and watch my favorite programs on Zee TV. Because we spend most of our time here, we wanted to make it very comfortable, as well as we have tried to utilize the space also. I like the noise of running water, तो उसको वहाँ पर करा हुआ है. I thought this would be a nice place in this room because of the contrast here. This gives you, the color gives you energy. This is the puzzle done by my daughter when she was studying. This is the calendar which I made to remember the birth dates. This is just our family photos. We have 2 kids. Both of them are away. We miss them. So we have kept the photos here. This is our other bedroom. इसमें हमने color scheme mustard and pastel colors use करें, mustard and off-white. Again, we have not painted the entire room with one color. We have tried to break the monotony. I want to emphasize about this curtain, its fabric as well as the color. Color matching तो है हमारा room के color से, but at the same time the curtain is such कि जब शाम को डायरेक्ट सनलाइट यहाँ आती है, तब इससे छन छन के जब आती है तो इट गिव्स यू अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट समथिंग, पेंटिंग और एम्ब्रॉयडरी और एनी अदर थिंग, तुम्हारे सामान तो काफ़ी फैलता है, तो दिस रूम इज़ यूज्ड फॉर दैट पर्पस. इसमें प्रॉपर लाइट आती है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव यूज्ड दिस कॉर्नर फॉर माय पेंटिंग.
This was a very simple toilet where they had a wash basin and white color tiles, which I did not like. So we came up with this idea. In fact, it was my wife's idea. She chose these tiles and she came up with this idea of using that corner with shelves and instead of the wash basin. We shifted the wash basin here, used that area as shelving, and then came up with this idea of the tiles and the granite instead of the white tiles.
आप छोटे घर है चाहे बड़ा घर है, छोटा घर है तो स्पेशली उस समय और भी ज़्यादा आपको दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है कि आप खूबसूरत भी बनाएं और साथ में उस जगह को जब गेस्ट आएँ या कोई और ज़रूरत पड़े तब आप उसकी एक एक कॉर्नर को अच्छी तरह से यूज़ कर पाएँ. तब आपको ये ना लगे कि अरे मेरा घर छोटा है. बड़े और छोटे घर से कुछ नहीं होता, बस यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ स्पेस बहुत ज़रूरी है.
So time now for some yoga tips on Yogalicious.
This week on Yogalicious, we are back with Dr. Rekha. Hi Dr. Rekha, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. And you?
Perfectly fine.
I would like to teach the basic postures, especially the important thing in yoga, the sun salutation, Surya Namaskar. So it has 12 steps. So each and every steps, it has different effect in our body. So, and we are going to practice this 12 steps with breathing. And if you are doing this in the morning, you will get activated, energized, and you have much energy throughout the day. In this, you take your legs together and you stand straight first. So from this position, you take your palms together and you add up Namaskar. Then you take your arms up slowly while inhaling. You lift your both arms up and bend back as much as you can. And from this posture, you all the way bend forward from your lower back. So this is the second pose. You bend forward and you place the palms down if possible, or else just bend down. You place the palms down and take your right leg to the back. This is the lunge pose and you look up. And the next posture is the plank pose. In this, you take your left leg as well to the back and your body is parallel to the ground. It's a plank pose. pose. And then in this position you place your knees down and you sit on your heels and stretch your back as much as you can. It's a baby pose, it's a tiled pose. And then in this tiled pose you just come up while inhaling and you take only your chest and chin down in between your palms. And in the next pose you are going to the cobra pose. In this you place your thighs down and while inhaling you lift your head and chest up. It's cobra pose. From this cobra pose you will go for the downward facing dog pose or the mountain pose or the parvatasana. In this you push your bums up and take your legs down. It's like an inverted V pose. From this position you bring your right foot forward, again the lunge pose, and you look up and exhale and you bring your left foot forward and it's a forward bending. And then you take your arms up and you bend back and you come to Namaskar again.
I'm energized and I'm sure you've been too. Until next time on Yogalicious, stay healthy.
I think ghar baithe UAE darshan karna is fun all the time. And this week we take you to yet another mesmerizing monument, the Burj Al Arab, which is the 4th tallest luxury hotel in the world.
Burj Al Arab stands on an artificial island 280 meters into the sea from the Jumeirah beach and is connected to the mainland by a private curving bridge. The shape of the structure is designed to mimic the sail of a ship. Burj Al Arab was designed by architect Tom Wright and W.S. Atkins plc. The design and construction were managed by Canadian engineer Rick Gregory, also of W.S. Atkins. The construction of the island began in 1994 and the hotel opened to public from December 1999.
I always wonder, why does it take a minute to say hello and a forever to say goodbye? Well, it's time now for me to say goodbye. But don't you worry, as I'm going to be back next week and back with a bang. Until then, stay connected.